Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will see how can we find out the area of circle, rectangle and triangle by using user input approach. So first of all, we need to know what is the area of circle. The area of circle is basically the formula of area of circle is basically A equals to pi r square, and we have to input either you can enter the value, as we know that the pi is a constant value, so I'm going it to assign it like 3.142 as the value is constant and we already know it. So multiply, we know that the area of circle is A equals to pi r square, so A equals to 3.142 multiply r. This is the first method, or you can write a square like this. So in Python, if you put the value in square, you should have multiply 2 times. Put multiply 2 times, so the value will be in square. So this 2 means this 2 is the square of r. Now, first of all, we have to find out the area of circle. So let's assume first variable, which is r. The only variable present is r. So we are going to give user input like int. No, I'm going to use float because we can give the value in decimal places as well. R equals to float input inverted commas let me correct the keyboard first. Okay, now inverted commas enter value of enter value for radius. So this is the method of how you can give user input. Now we know that the area is A equals to 3.142 multiply r multiply square. So basically this formula becomes A equals to 3.142 pi r square. So now we have to print the statement. So print, what we are going to print, we are going to print the value of area of circle. So I am going to assign it like area of circle comma and the value which is A. So it prints the value of A. Now we are running the code. Let's see what happens. Enter value of radius. So I'm going to assign the value of radius, which is like 5.5. So as you know that it gives the area of circle, which is 95.0455 in the float numbers, because I have typecast it into float. So my decimal place has been occurred. Now you see that the value which we have given in float, same result occur in the area of circle. So this is the method how you can find out the area of circle. You can either find more things like circumference or anything related to circle. So you can find more things. You can find out more things. Now I am going to use it for the area of rectangle. So as we know that the area of rectangle is equals to A equals to length multiply breadth. So there are two variables which makes the area of rectangle. The first one is length and the second one is breadth. So first of all, we are going to assign user input value of length L equals to, I am going to assign it here like integer without decimal point, int input enter value. Now you have to give length multiplied by breadth. So breadth is b equals to, it is also an integer value, input, enter value. So this is the length. First one is length and second one is breadth. Both are the user input method. Now we know that we have to store the value in the parameter which is area. A equals to length multiply breadth. Now we have to print the statement. First of all, we print that what we are doing, we are finding the area of rectangle, and the area is A. Let's see what happens with the result. It asks me the value. The first value is length, so I am going to assign 6. My second value is breadth, so I am going to assign it 3. Let's see what happens. And we see that 6 3s are 18, so area of rectangle becomes 18. Now if I am going to find out the area of triangle by the same approach, it is very easy. So I'm not going to code this time, I'm just copying it, Control C. So but there is a very minor difference in the formula, which is 1 upon 2. So the area of triangle is 1 upon 2 multiply length multiply breadth. So the area of triangle. So first of all, you have to give the value of length, which is 7, and the value of breadth, which is 4. So as you know that 7 4s are 28, and 28 divided by this 2 will become 14. And as we know that in the division it is float value, always assigns, Python always assign float value, so we have given area of triangle 14.0. So this is the basic method of finding out the parameters of any kind of shape. You can either use it for any kind of either trapezium, right, or any shape by giving the parameter or by giving the input approach. So this is the basic. So this is basically the finding out method for the area of circle, rectangle, and triangle. So I hope you are clear with it. If you have any queries, you can ask. For right now, we are okay. Thank you so much.